Hey guys, this is Dipankar back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a new smartphone, Mobiistar XQ Dual. The brand Mobiistar is from Vietnam and now the brand is coming into Indian market with its selfie focused phone for the budget segment. Mobiistar XQ Dual is priced at Rs 8000 and will be available exclusively from Flipkart.com. Before I talk more about the phone, let me show you the unboxing. The phone features a plastic build offering metallic finish. It also has golden lines at the back that also contribute in the look. There is nothing specific to talk as the phone looks almost same as other phones of this price segment. Above the display it has dual front camera and front LED flash. Below the display it has 3 capacitive touch keys. At the left side it has volume rocker and at the right it has SIM card slot along with power button. The top side has headphone jack and the base side has micro USB along with the speaker. The back side has rear camera and LED flash at top left side. At upper center part it has fingerprint sensor and Mobiistar branding. The phone is bit slippery but the company is also offering a protective back cover within the box. The phone features a 5.5 inches full HD display with Asahi Dragon Trail 2.5D glass protection. The display looks fine and offers decent viewing angles. It also works fine in outdoors. It is powered by 1.4 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 430 processor with Adreno 545 GPU. It has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. The setup is good enough for offering good performance in a budget phone. I haven't tried gaming yet so I cannot comment on that for now. The phone runs on Android 7.1.2 with a custom UI. Here it could be Android Oreo as most of the phones now offer the latest OS. The UI doesn't show any issue. The icons are inspired by the icons of iOS. It also comes with few bloatwares including Flipkart app. You also get a theme store for getting a personalized experience. I will talk more about UI experience in the full review. The phone has 13 megapixels rear camera with LED flash. It also has dual front camera setup where it has 13 megapixels primary sensor and 8 megapixel secondary sensor. It also offers front LED flash. The front camera setup can also capture wide angle shots where you can capture more people in a single photo. The rear camera captures good colors but not much details. The dual front camera works better and selfies are good considering the price of this phone. I still need time to check the camera properly, but here are few samples that you can have a look. The phone also features a fingerprint sensor located on the back. It works really well and quickly unlocks the phone. It has bottom firing speaker that is loud enough. The calling experience on this phone is fine. The phone supports dual SIM but with hybrid slot. Other connectivity options include 4G with video over LTE and voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, micro USB and GPS. The phone packs 3000 mAh battery that is sufficient for offering a day usage, but I need more time to check that before making any claims. The phone looks good in terms of design and specifications because you cannot expect much from a budget phone. The front camera performance is good. I am still using the phone and will be coming with a full review soon. If you have any specific question to ask, you can always leave it in the comment. That's it for this video. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, subscribe it right now. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.